Hello everyone, welcome you all. Myself Arisaman Vaishnav, I am in 10th standard. Today I will discuss an activity based on image formation by concave mirror and I will submit it to respected teacher Dr. Devendra Puri sir. So now, before proceeding further, we must know what a mirror is. A piece of special flat glass that you can look into in order to see yourself. Now, what is a concave mirror? A curved mirror is a mirror with a curved reflecting surface. The surface may be either convex or concave. Most curved mirrors have surfaces that are shaped like part of sphere, but other shapes are sometimes used in optical devices. Now we will discuss the activity based on image formation by concave mirror. By doing this activity, we need two things, a spoon and a pen. Here, what do we see? The image formed is inverted. So we see the inverted image, and as we move the object away from the mirror, the image is inverted. As we bring it here the mirror, and then also the image is inverted. But when the object comes close to the mirror, then we will see that the image will be erect. In case of concave mirror, image formed is real and inverted when the object is far away, and when the object is very close, at that time the image formed is real and inverted. As you can see in this table. Thanks for watching.